This is the GLCON in-ear case, and real quick, I'm going to show how I wrap my in-ears in order to fit into this guy, because some in-ears have really bulky cables, like this one. This one has a absolutely massive cable, but I'm going to show you how I kind of wrap these guys in order to fit in this case, and it fits fairly well, but you do have to wrap it a little bit of an interesting way. Not hard at all, but the first thing I do is I put my in-ears back to back, so kind of like that, and then I hook them over my fingers, and I just wrap the cable around 3 fingers. Not 4, 3 fingers. Okay? Some people do their whole hand. I leave the pinky out. So here's the wrap around 3 fingers, and then I stick the in-ears in the middle, and then I take the whole bundle, I stick it right here, and then I close the case, and boom, it's all in there. No problems. And I have a kind of a semi-custom pair right here. I say semi because half of it is molded and half of it is not. The tips aren't molded, but the outside part is. Cool in-ears, but I'm going to do the same thing. Wrap around 3 fingers here. I'm not too worried about over-undering this cable. I've never had it actually kink because there's so many winds in this anyways. And then I stick the in-ears kind of in the center here. Stick them in the case, close the case, zip it up, we're all good. So I hope that helped in how you kind of put the cables or put the in-ears in here. Let me know if you guys have any more questions.